अस्सलाम वालेकुम टू ऑल व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम इस बारे में देखेंगे कि हमें ये जो जीपीएस ट्रैकिंग सिस्टम है ये वर्क किस तरह करता है, और ये कॉमन लाइफ में यूज़ किस तरह होता है, और हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप इजीली इस पे वर्क किस तरह कर सकते हैं। इस वीडियो का हमारा ये टॉपिक है और देखते हैं, चलते हैं अपनी वीडियो की तरफ। मैं ये फ़ॉन्ट साइज़ भी इंक्रीज़ कर लेता हूँ, आपके लिए बेस्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग होगी। ये टाइटल से आपको पता चल जाएगा कि ये वीडियो का टाइटल क्या है, इसके अंदर मज़ीद इसकी डिस्क्रिप्शन क्या होनी है। तो देख लेते हैं। जीपीएस ट्रैकिंग सिस्टम डज दिस बाय यूजिंग द ग्लोबल नेविगेशन सिस्टम satellite system network. This network consists of satellite that communicates with the GPS device to provide information on the current location, direction, time and speed of the vehicle being tracked. GPS is basically the tracking system that does this by using the global navigation satellite system network. This network consists of a satellite that communicates with the GPS device to provide information on the current location, direction, time and speed of the vehicle being tracked. You can see here. This is the GPS satellite and vehicle with GPS tracking device, and third one is the wireless network. Fourth one is the GPS server, and the fourth one is the GPS server, and the owner can control these all devices and all control from the simple mobile phone or desktop screen. I also have a website data which gives us the more detail about that. We also discuss about that. I can copy this link and paste it on a Google for getting the website data and more how you can see here how does a GPS tracker work step by step. The GPS receiver use this data to calculate the location if the user and show it on a electronic device using a processor known as triliteration. It work by measuring the distance to each satellite by the total time it takes to receive a transmission signal. Basically, the GPS receiver uses this data to calculate the location of the user and show it on a electronic device using a process known as triliteration. It works by measuring the distance to each satellite by the total time it takes to receive a transmitted signal. And you can see here these are the two component. It's a user component, it's a control component, and the user component is completely connected with the control component, and the control component is completely connected with the user component. And now also we go on a website and refresh the tab and see the data which give us the Google about GPS tracking. This is the vlogging website. What is GPS tracking and how does it work? What does the GPS tracker do? GPS tracking require a tracking device installed in a vehicle on a piece of equipment or worn by a person. This tracking device for vehicle provides information about its exact location so it can report detail or where a vehicle, equipment or person is. It also tracks the movement of vehicle, equipment or person who can do the tracker, who can does the GPS tracker does, and it is basically used as the GPS tracker system basic. A GPS tracking system does this by using the global navigation satellite system network. This network system of satellite that communicates with GPS device to provide information of the local location, direction, time and speed of the vehicle being tracked. Also I search on a Google what is the GPS, how does a GPS tracking system work. I can copy this profile, this title, and paste it on a Google, and now we see the images of the how does a GPS tracking work. And here we get the exact examples of a GPS tracking work. This is the car which get the signals. Wait for a second, I will zoom it. I hope you will see good now. Basically it is a car, and it is a car, and the GPS location is connected with vehicle with tracking unit. Data transferred when in range of network tower. Data transferred to server. How tracker works. Your vehicle is connecting with the server and getting the data of the user or another person from the input from the server from internet connection.